Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff and that's Terry behind the camera. Today's a big day here at Pittsgrove Township. One of the snowmobiles is going to be disappearing. We have a gentleman, I think it was Alan? I think his name's Alan, was the first one that, that said he wanted it. So he's coming from, I think, fairly close. Didn't want it like Franklinville, Turnersville, somewhere that he's coming from that's going to pick it up?
It's somewhere in New Jersey.
Yeah. So it's a good day for us. We get rid of another piece of machinery out of the yard. One less thing we got to worry about. So we might as well take a look at it. We're just waiting around till he gets here. I think the other one now I'm definitely keeping. I know you'd rather me get rid of all my junk, right?
Well, no. I mean, if you're not going to use it, but if you're actually really going to fix it up.
Right.
Not that we get a lot of snow.
Right.
The tractor's a little loud.
Well, I started the tractor only because and got it out of the garage only if we can't get that thing on the trailer, so I'm going to need that to push it up, which is probably going to be a lot easier because these things aren't light. They'll probably be 600, 700, 800 pounds.
Okay.
And, two guys, and JT's here somewhere. He's supposed to help, but I think he's in there socializing with the dogs. All right, we'll just wait around and see what we can do until he gets here.
JT's here.
Who is?
The person to pick up the Panther.
Uh-oh.
You gonna help?
Alan's here.
You're gonna help, right?
What am I doing?
Oh, God.
You're just supposed to stand there and look good. That's all you do.
I gotta stay
Right.
away from the sun.
What are you there for? I brought
No,
my
that
pals, too.
it was too dark in there.
Oh yeah,
That's not a good picture.
yeah, but the YouTube people that watch, they just hanker for some little Jeffy action. So they're gonna see me and they're like, yeah, something great's gonna happen.
Oh, you're a little full of yourself, aren't you?
No, a lot of fool myself.
A lot of full of yourself?
Not a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. Is he backing up here?
Yeah, he's going to back up to that, and I'll got the trailer under it, push it. That one, yeah.
So the tractor's okay running, right?
Yeah, I can run all
It's
day.
been running for a long time now.
It won't hurt anything.
Okay, so how are you going to take the tractor around behind me to get the snowmobile?
Yeah, I'll pull it around back, and this back door right here, it'll pick it up. Like
Okay,
that.
so where's the best place for me to be?
You can be anywhere
Over
you
there?
want. You can be over there, because that way the sunlight. Back it up, pick the ass up, and push the bitch on the floor.
Well, somebody's going to have to put it on the tractor.
Huh?
Who's going to put it on the tractor?
Put on what tractor?
You're just going to scoop it up?
No, I told you I'm going to pick the ass end up and just push it, because it can slide on the skis.
Oh, so you don't even need the tractor.
Yes, that's what I just said. I pick up the back end with the tractor, and then I just push it forward onto his trailer.
Oh, I'm sorry. I misunderstood.
That's okay. Here's the Jets for the fourth time.
Where are they? I hear them, but I don't see them.
the coast is great. Now, it did turn over probably about 10 years ago, 12 years ago.
That's what I was just telling him. I was like, well, it was like last time we ran, it was like 10 years ago when we were able to get through the farm fields.
Yeah, so either way, I think in one of the vids, I jump-started it. It was able to turn over, so.
Cool. I appreciate it.
And
Hey,
then
no problem.
hopefully we'll have some snow.
Yeah, right. That's the
Or at
thing.
least something to play with, sell it, whatever. It doesn't matter, whatever.
I'm a mechanic. I just like tinkering, so.
Well, that's a good thing to tinker with.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be fun. What year is it? It's an 80.
I think it was an 85 or an 86.
Okay, yeah, I remember you guys saying it.
Yeah, the stamp on the code for the VIN is 7 of 85. So
Okay.
it's either 85 or 86.
Cool.
But in its day, it had the hand warmers and all the,
Wow.
bells and whistles. So,
Cool, I appreciate it.
yeah, no problem. Hope you get used to it.
Pleasure meeting you. Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you.
Al, pleasure, man.
You too.
Yeah, and if you wouldn't mind like sending a picture or something,
Nice
and when you
meeting
do
you.
get it
Yeah,
fixed up, that would be
definitely.
cool.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
See you guys later.
All right.
Thank
thanks,
you.
Al.
Have a
Appreciate
good
it.
weekend.
Be safe.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah,
You
you
too.
too.
You guys too.
That was really easy. I didn't know that was going to be so easy.
Yeah,
No,
I'm
these
surprised you were able to do it so efficiently.
What's
I
he
thought-
saying?
I thought for sure you were gonna nick that one, the log splitter, and
No, I was pretty. I had it in my mind the whole time how I was going to do it. So, and this one's going to be fairly easy. But at least we got something out of the yard, right?
Right, and you said this one only needs like a gas line or something?
Well, yeah, I got to get Tygon tubing for that, and then I got to empty the tank, clean the tank, and then fill it back up again with 50-to-1 Arctic cat oil. Put new skags on it. The carburetor, I ordered a rebuild kit for the Mikuni carburetor that's on it, so hopefully that comes. They said it's back ordered, but
Okay.
that's like a 1978 or 79 or something like that, so it's kind of old. Well, hopefully Alan didn't ram into the gate. Is he through?
he's there now.
Okay. Yeah, because that trailer isn't that wide, but yeah, the goal is to get that one running, and hopefully everything works out well with that. And again, we're only praying for snow, right?
Yeah.
Maybe
Well,
you'll
I'm not
ride it.
praying for snow. I don't want snow.
Well, I'm okay.
just
I'm not
like
praying
one-
for snow. Well, hopefully we get a little snow,
Well,
and at least we
if
can
you
drive
get it
it.
fixed, we would like at least
Right.
one.
And I think I let JT down because I didn't hit the log splitter.
Yeah, I thought for sure something was gonna
Right.
happen.
But we should have loaded the stinking motorcycle on that trailer too.
Honestly, that would have been nice.
'Cause if he's a
Yeah.
mechanic-
No,
Yeah,
we
the tinker
gave
was
Alan
fun,
could.
too.
Alan's a mechanic.
We gave Jesse till the spring.
I know, but he's not going to do anything even in the springtime.
Yeah,
We will
Hey, Jess,
see.
do you have any luck getting
Hey,
rid of
did you
that?
hear that?
What was that?
something like.
Fell in the car. You gonna say, hey Jess, it's springtime. You done anything with the motorcycle? Nah, nothing yet. But how about give me to the fall? You know how to work. So,
Just can't get rid of it.
We'll see.
and what about the other motorcycle? You want that taken to your house?
Not really.
See, so there's.
He
I'd
needs
be
to.
open to listing that for sale. Just gotta clean it up, get it running again. And then-
I would advise send it back to Honda or wherever you got it from, and have them get it running again. That way, when you sell it, it's all running. Put a couple $100 into it. Here they come again.
Yeah, you figure it's probably.
How come I never see them?
Look at them. They're all the way over there.
Oh, there they are. This is number 5.
Yeah. But Alan said something about it's the Army because of the Army-Navy game, but I wouldn't think they would fly 5 times by. And then there's usually the 5th one is always trailing behind, but I don't see that one.
I doubt very much the camera's picking you up with
Right.
how loud that is. Wait till they pass and then.
All right, everybody. Either way, we finally got rid of one of the snowmobiles that we've been talking about for years. Next is to get that one running, and that'll be later in the video. Appreciate everybody following. Everybody have a great day and a good life. And there's the 5th one. Right there.
Like.
USA!